Why you should start a mastermind with other affiliates. One of the hardest things for people to learn is that they can't do it all alone. If Bill Gates decided he was going to be a one-man show, he'd still be selling computers out of a garage. The point we're trying to get across is that you need other people to see large amounts of success. Having more than one person to give out ideas and different ways of solving problems is one of the biggest things any business person can have. This is why mastermind groups are so important. A mastermind is designed to help everyone involved to grow their business. All participants will more than likely have one skill or another that's going to be valuable to another person in the mastermind. For example, if you're doing an affiliate mastermind group, one of the people may be having trouble getting traffic to their site with Google AdWords. More than likely, one of the other affiliates will have experience in Google AdWords where they can offer their expertise. Another person may have awesome web design skills to help create awesome review sites. The point is, if you're a team, you'll get a lot more done and make a lot more money than if you try and do it all alone. Many people are afraid to join a mastermind group for a variety of reasons. One of the biggest is the fear that other affiliates may try and steal your ideas. Instead of taking a scarcity approach, you need to take an abundance approach. You need to understand the importance of networking. You might be able to create a new business in your field with another person who's also in the same field. Instead of seeing your competition as the enemy, you should partner up with them to create a lasting, profitable relationship. If you join or start an affiliate mastermind group, you'll be pleasantly surprised as you watch your business shoot through the stratosphere.